Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Peace. Welcome to another video. We are here for the market crash. S&P 500 currently at 540.81, and we are dropping. So I'm in 50 puts expiring today at the 540 strike price. So this will need to drop $1 for me to be in the money, but that is quite all right because we are here for it. All right, we got some nice volume. MACD is starting to trend red. Not bad, not bad. RSI is going down. It looks like that was a fake pump. But we'll see. Back up to 541. $0 days to expire is always risky. But I mean, that's how you make the real gains.
About the cost of the options contract, not like the price of the stock. Or it looks like we shaked out all those bears. And now the ones that are still in are gonna get rewarded. Here comes the drop. All right, we are up 15% now. Very awesome, very awesome.
$1,000 profit. Now we are sitting pretty at 50% increase. So 50% unrealized gains. Let's see how far we can get. Hopefully this drops like $3 or something crazy like that. That'd be really nice. Another $3 drop would be $5,000. Wait, does that make sense? Hold on. I gotta calculate this. So 50 call options, or 50 put options, and then each one will give me $100 every dollar it drops. So if it drops $3, I get, oh yeah, like $15,000. Yeah. That's kind of funny the way the math works out. I didn't realize how many puts I had. But like I said, I initially quadrupled down when it was floating around the 60s. It went up to 104 or something, like 105, 106, 107. And then it went down to 60 range again. And I like tripled down at 58 or something. What's my cost average on these? 63, so not too bad. Not too bad. Which is why we're up like 50% right now. Yeah, 48%. Yep, trucking along. Let's make sure that the play is still good. Okay, RSI is dropping. Decent volume. That was a big red candle. MACD is continuing to trend slightly downward. This has a lot more room to drop, so I'm gonna hold. For now, who knows? This could reverse, or it could just be red for the rest of the day. Fridays have the propensity to be red. We will see. We actually might be able to get a look at the options chain to see which ones are likely to expire worthless. I'm thinking that they don't want the 535s to print. Maybe the 536s. Let's see how many people are in here. Open interest is 16,000. Let's see the 538s. 16,000 for the 538s as well? Jeez Louise. 12,000 for the 539s. And then, oh man, the one I'm in is 32,000 interest. That's scary. I feel like they're going to try and make those worthless. So I probably shouldn't stick around too long. Oh, that's so tough. I think I might take some profits, guys. But that's fine. It's important to start taking some profits. I'm going to get out of 10 of these contracts. Sell 10. Boom. So my cost average was, what's it called? 63. And I sold at 86, 10 contracts. That's a delta of 23. So I just made $230 profit on that sale. So let's keep on watching the rest of my 40 contracts. And you know what? We don't care if it goes up slightly because the value of our contracts, because we already took profits. So that's money that they can't take back from us, because I've seen many trades go from green to red. Sometimes you have the opportunity to double down or triple down, but most times you end up just expiring worthless. All right, making some nice dough. We are up $1,200. Nice little 50%. You know what? They were probably just waiting for me to sell some of these for it to continue to go downward. But that is fine. I do not care. I am the market maker. Let's see what it does. Wow, 1,600 already. Sheesh. All right, looks like we're up 80%. Not bad. Let's go ahead and charge my phone. Boop. Ooh, can we break 540? Have we already broken 540 recently? I'd have to go to candle view, and it still might not show it. Let's see. Oops, gotta go up here. 540.25, and it's yeah. So the candle hasn't populated yet, but that just answered my question. That's why I like the line. People have complained about you not using the candles in the comment section. You guys, what? You guys are just elitists. I make the best of what I'm given, and with Robinhood, this is what I'm gonna use. Dang, I should have kept those other 10. I sold those at 86, and it's at 115, so that's like a 20 increase. So that's an extra $200 profit I left on the table already, and it's only gonna get higher. But you know what? I feel good about it. I was also in calls earlier today. My entry point was over here, like right around here, and it went up like 68 cents. So I did make some initial profit, but once I saw the choppiness up here, I decided to go over to puts. What was I thinking in the charts? Yeah, it was good volume and stuff, but then like what made me think that it was starting to reverse? I think it was this dip right here in the RSI. This choppiness started in the RSI and it was pretty high, and I was like, that's kind of weird. So I did end up calling it right with puts. Ooh, a little bounce right there at the 540 mark. So they're probably trying to get something to expire worthless. What is it? I just got to figure out where to go. Let's see if this is updated. Still 32,000. And then this one should be 16,000, or no, yeah, 12,000, and then 16,000 down here at the 538. All right, I don't even know if those update daily or if they just update overnight. But, okay. I'm trying to figure out when the best time to sell is with respect to how low this will go. Because obviously, if this were to go to like 536, for example, you could load up on like 100 of these, and once it got to expiration time at 536, they'd all be worth $1, so you tripled your money. I really don't know. I'm just glad that we're over $1 on the value of these contracts. We're up 1,400. It's going to be a good day. As I say that, it starts to rise. Let's see if this is real or not. So, I'm seeing a red volume candle, but it's pretty decent in size, and the RSI is starting to reverse. RSI double bottomed at the, what level is this? Like the 42 level. I still think that it has more downward motion in it. And we can afford to relinquish some of the potential profits that we would have taken. So I'm just going to let it ride a little bit. Well, that's not what I wanted to see. Look at that reversal. Could be a fake out trying to shake out the puts, because people are, what's it called? People are probably in puts right now, and they're trying to make their money. But they're probably like super out of the money, like down here, and they're trying to crush them because people probably bought in around these prices, and now they're just going to go down because the SPY is increasing. So now we're actually at a price lower than where I took some profits to protect myself. Maybe I should have taken a little bit more profits down lower, but I do think that this will go even lower, but we'll see if it plays out. Okay, starting to go back down. Honestly, we could gamble. Let's gamble a little bit, guys. I'm already up hundreds of dollars. Let's see. Every 3 of these is about $100, and I got 600, so I could get 30 of these. Wait, I did my math wrong. Do I want these, or do I want something else? Let's get 10 of these. Who cares? All right, now we are really in. Oh, wow, they were waiting for me to buy in for them to spike it up. Okay, good, good. I'm glad. I'm glad they're watching me. Look at that pump. Nice. All right, all my profits are out the window, and goodbye. So, I'm a degen. I'm going to go ahead and double down on these. Oh, I can't even afford to double down. Let's go 5. There we go. Now we get an average of 33. Not bad, not bad. Really? They've lost more than 20%? Oh, that's crazy. There's a descending triangle forming in the RSI. I don't know what that means, but it's there. we are still somehow magically profitable. I don't think today is going to run, but this is kind of boring, and I don't want this video to be too long. I could just leave this on a cliffhanger and then update you guys later, which I think I might do, honestly. Because how great is your guys' attention span? Are you here to learn how to trade, or are you here to just see awesome gains? All right, the lesson here is to take profits when you have them. But I'm going to end the video here. Let's check back in later to see if it went back down. But I'm not too worried because I already made a bunch of profit earlier in the day, which takes care of anything that I lose right now here. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe for more.